Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. This is something my wife was kind enough to get me. Today is April Fool's Day, so yeah, let's see what's inside. So there's something new that just came out that I've been waiting for. There's been a lot of hype about. I'm surprised I haven't been able to show it to you already, but yeah, I just got it. So let's take a look. Yep, Totinos cheese pizza ramen noodles. Ramen here is a word that's doing a heck of a lot of heavy lifting. I haven't tried these yet. I'm very curious. These are from General Mills, I believe. The makers of Cheerios as well. They make a lot of stuff. But yeah, Totinos pizza ramen noodles. But wait, there's more. This one's the cheese pizza variety. And yes, the stomach turns, folks. Buffalo style chicken pizza ramen noodles. I've reviewed a lot of pizza ramen, but generally it hasn't been from the United States. It's been from India, a lot from Pakistan, pizza flavor from Japan, but never anything from the United States, which I always thought was kind of funny. And yes, they've also, fajita style Old El Paso ramen noodles. These cups really remind me more of what you would find mac and cheese in. But yeah, I'm fascinated. I can't wait to try these. Oh wait, there's another one. Beef birria. Yeah, there's been a big trend lately with making birria flavored ramen. I don't know how this is gonna be. I'm pretty sure birria usually is a stew made with goat meat. I think. I don't know how well that would translate, but I have not as far as yet. I think I had one birria ramen that was okay, but the rest of them have just been kind of funky, kind of bitter and weird. So, yeah. But yes, this is the majestic quartet of bizarre new varieties for your face hole to ensconce. I'm not thinking any of these are going to be 5-star. All that I've seen about them have been from really like jumping up and down, freaking out kind of TikTok influencers that I would trust their opinion about as far as I could physically throw them, which I'm not a weightlifter, so no, I probably couldn't physically throw them far. Yeah, but I'll give it a try, and I'll give you my honest opinion on them soon. But yeah, thank you very much to my wife, and yeah, if you're watching this on April Fool's Day, happy April Fool's Day. I hope you get somebody good. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.